This video, I am talking about what is Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management software that helps businesses manage and track customer interaction, sales, and other customer related data. It offers a range of tools and features to help businesses manage customer relationship including sales, marketing automation, customer service, and support analytics. Salesforce services allow businesses to use cloud technology to better connect with partners, customers, and potential customers. Using the Salesforce CRM, companies can track customer activity, market to customer, and many more services. For example, you don't purchase and install any software. Instead, you open an account online and use the entire software suite through a browser. It resides in the cloud. It also means that you don't have worry about installation, versions and networking. This makes it really convenient for small businesses to get up and running quickly, and it is cost effectively since it follows as a pay as you go model.